What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV. In this video, I'm going to talk about TTL, manual, and high-speed sync flash settings. These three settings confuse photographers the most, and I'm going to break down what each one does and when and why to use it. Let's go shoot. These three modes don't do the same thing. They control how the flash decides power and when the flash can fire. Think of them as different control modes for your flash. TTL stands for through the lens. This is your automatic flash mode. When you take a photo, the flash sends out a quick pre-flash, the camera measures the light through the lens, and the flash automatically decides how much power to use. TTL is like telling your flash to figure it out for you. This mode works best when your subject is moving or the distance keeps changing, such as events, weddings, or run and gun shooting. Manual flash is the opposite of TTL. You set the flash power yourself and it stays exactly the same until you change it. If you set your flash to 1/8 power, it will fire at 1/8 power every single time. Once you dial it in, every shot looks the same, which also makes editing easier. The only thing that will change the exposure of your subject is the distance of the subject from the strobe. High-speed sync is different from both TTL and manual. High-speed sync does not control brightness, it controls shutter speed. Normally, flash is limited to shutter speeds around 1/200th or 1/250th of a second. High-speed sync allows your flash to work at much faster shutter speeds. This is especially useful when shooting outdoors in bright sunlight, when you want a shallow depth of field, or when you need to freeze motion. Because the flash is pulsing instead of firing once, high-speed sync does reduce overall flash power. The key difference is this: TTL and manual control how bright the flash is. High-speed sync controls when the flash can fire. For most of my outdoor shoots, I use manual flash with high-speed sync. Manual lets me control the exact power of my strobe, so my lighting stays consistent, and high-speed sync lets me shoot at higher shutter speeds to expose the ambient light exactly how I want. For this shoot, I'm using the Canon R5 paired with three lenses. The RF 50mm f1.2 for those creamy, shallow depth of field shots. The RF 15 to 35mm f2.8 for wide, immersive angles. And the RF 70 to 200mm f2.8 to compress the scene and bring everything in tight. For lighting, I've got the Flashpoint XPLOR 800 Pro as my main strobe, paired with the Glow Easy Lock 36-inch softbox for soft, controlled light. And for a few shots, I'll switch to a standard reflector for a more dramatic, punchy look. All right, guys, I hope this video helped you understand these three flash settings a little better and not feel so intimidated when you go out there and shoot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.